Hello, it's Lagos Housewife here again on another episode of Eat Natural, Live Healthy, where I teach you little things you can just make in your eating habit to give you a healthy lifestyle. Nothing complicated now, but always delicious. In my previous video, I showed you how to dry roast sesame seed, and I promised you I'm going to show you another way I use sesame seed. That's what we're about to do today. And this is what I call my nut mix. Well, technically, it's 2 nuts and 1 seed. But who's counting? So I call it my nut mix. I'm just going to blend them together, and feel free to use any nuts or any seed you want. It doesn't have to be specific to this. All nuts, all seeds have healthy benefits. And this particular one is simple. It's just cashew nuts, groundnuts, sesame seed, equal quantities of each, equal quantity. These are like 1.5 cup of cashew nuts, 1.5 cup of groundnuts, 1.5 cup of sesame seed, and I'll just be blending them together. Once it's blended, I will show you and I'll tell you how I use it. Let me get to blending. Let's start with the sesame seed. I'm grinding it one by one because I want it smooth, not too plenty in the dry milk jug. It has turned it to paste. Don't worry. Ooh. Looky. Part 1, part 2, groundnuts. On your marks, get set. You see how short that was? Groundnut has a lot of oil. If you grind it for too long, it will turn to real paste and it will start bringing out oil. That if you squeeze it like this, oil will be coming out. So to keep it like this, grind it for a short, just for short. Once it does, pour it. Yes, part 3. Cashew nuts. Finish. I love cashew nuts. It blends so smooth, so easily. No plenty oil. All done. I'm just going to mix. It's bored. I'm just going to mix all 3 together. You can see the ones that are clumps, simply just press it. It's okay if they are clumps. When I tell you how to use it, you know that the clumps really don't matter. All that matters is just get everything to mix well. So here's my mixed nuts, all mixed. You can see that. What you're going to do is now get a container, a glass jar or a plastic jar. I tried a glass jar one time and that was how it fell and broke. The thing pained me. From that time, I stopped using glass jar. So get a jar and just put it inside. Now, let me tell you how I use this. Like when I make pap or acha, any kind of cereal, or even Greek yogurt or something for my son, I just get like this normal eating spoon and put 2 scoops inside his cereal or pap or acha or anything basically that you can mix, and he will drink like anything pap like. So I just put 2 scoops. For smaller children, 1 scoop is okay. Now, this is a source of good, healthy weight for children. This helps them to gain weight in a healthy way, in a nutritious way. It also has a lot of omega-3, which is good for the brain, and nutrients good for the eyes. Now, this is not only for children. I also use it myself. It's a very good mixture for sugar balance in the body. So it's good for diabetics. They can actually mix it in their pap. It helps slow down the absorption. It provides fiber, so it helps slow down the absorption of sugar into the body, so it keeps your sugar stable. It's very, very healthy, and it helps with weight gain. As I told you before, my son is someone who, I don't know if they call it high metabolism, but he never stays in one place. So he's always losing weight easily, and so this helps his weight balance. It helps him not to lose weight, not to lose so scrawny, and at the same time I know I'm giving him essential nutrients necessary for his brain, his eyes, his skin, his intelligence, everything. Nuts. This is a very, very healthy way to integrate nuts into your food, not only for children but for adults, but very necessary and crucial for children. At least if you won't take care of yourself, take care of your children, right? So as it is like this, you don't need to put it in the fridge or anywhere. Just put it on your countertop. Make sure it's airtight. Very simple. You don't need to cook it. Please don't need to cook it. You know, the sesame seed is already dry roasted. The groundnut is normal roasted groundnut that they sell. The cashew nut is also normal roasted cashew nut. You can buy raw and just dry roast it yourself. You know, I already showed you how to dry roast. You can check the sesame dry roasting in this video here. And that is all. Please don't use raw sesame seed. Make sure you dry roast it and have this. So this is another healthy way I feed my family. These are little things that help you eat natural and live healthy. Till next time again, where I'll be showing you more tips. Don't forget to like this video. Don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to share. Anybody you love that you know you want the person to be healthy and her family or his family to be healthy, share my videos with them. You know, the Bible says when you receive good news, you hurry to share it for everybody. That's what you should do with my videos. Till next time, I love you. Stay blessed.